This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB-Bo and Redbus.
Bol baby bol.
On Go MMT Radio.
Hashtag Go.
This is your favorite radio station and that's called Go MMT Radio. I am your host Annie. आज का जो स्पेशल शो है उसे कहते हैं बोल बेबी बोल. मैं किसी न किसी से तो बुलवाती ही हूँ about a place that they come from or a place that they have visited recently and have so much to talk about. Basically exploring the world through this show called Bol Baby Bol. Today on the show I have Shubham Jaiswal, who is otherwise from Bihar. His roots are from Bihar, but he was born and brought up in Nepal. We know how beautiful this country is, and there's so much to learn about the country and explore and know about the country that we barely have any knowledge of. I'm going to try and get some interesting things from Shubham today on the show. It's so nice to have you on the show, Shubham. A warm welcome.
Thank you so much, Annie. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here.
You work in the corporate channel department. Now you are based out of Bangalore. Ye shift from your birthplace or the place that you grew up to a city, a busy city like Bangalore. Is it going well with you?
Yeah, absolutely. So in Bangalore, it's almost my 7th year over here. So in Nepal, I was there till my 10th. I did my schooling from Nepal itself. Post that, so I was very much into cricket. Once my dad realized that he बहुत ज़्यादा cricket खेल रहा है, because I had represented Nepal for under 16.
Oh,
and
lovely.
He was like, Nepal में cricket खेल के क्या ही करेगा? He won't study. So he's like, इसको इंडिया भेजते हैं, नहीं तो यहाँ पे निकाल देगा, पढ़ाई लिखाई करेगा नहीं. So after 10th, I came to Bangalore. I did my 11th, post that I did my bachelor's from Christ again.
Okay.
And उसके बाद I did my master's from Symbiosis. So been to different parts of India. उसके बाद I got placed in Goa for ICICI Prudential. So I was there for almost 2 years in Goa.
Oh,
फिर
cool.
वहाँ से different experience. फिर वहाँ से I came to Nubroker. Again 3 years in Nubroker in Bangalore itself, and this is my 3rd stint with Make My Trip.
Oh, that's lovely.
So even I have joined recently over here. Bangalore was always my go-to place in India because I have seen how the city have grew over here, the
Correct.
growth. Beautiful city, just the traffic is there, right? But everything has their own pros and cons.
Correct.
But ठीक है, थोड़ा सह लेंगे और क्या.
और फूड वगैरह में मतलब आप एडजस्ट कर पाए हो?
हाँ, food में absolutely. So I don't have any much preference for food. The reason why, because like I'm a fitness freak. तो अगर कोई fitness freak होता है, वैसे ही वो boil खाने या थोड़ा खाने में उनका वो होता नहीं है. So they have to manage. तो खाने का कुछ कभी problem हुआ नहीं.
Oh, that's good. So you're very, very strict about what you pick and choose to eat, because not everyone is able to manage that, especially when they live in another city or travel so much. But you've managed to do that, and that really is a challenge that most people face and fail to actually keep up with it. So well done over there.
Get ready to witness the cricket craze. Make My Trip Cricket Premier League 2026 is here, and it's bigger and better than ever. Mark your calendars for the upcoming weekends, 21st, 22nd and 28th February, as our very own Gurgaon Trippers arrive at the RB Sports Club, Baliavas, Gurgaon. Come on, Trippers! Let's show our support for our colleagues and friends. It's not just cricket, it's a carnival. Get ready for non-stop fun, pulsating music, live commentary, prestigious awards, and of course, delicious food. So what are you waiting for? Come and be part of the madness. Let's cheer for the Gurgaon Trippers.
Good morning, Make My Trip. This is Vrinder Sehwag on your very own Go MMT Radio. Get set, go.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Bol baby bol.
On Go MMT Radio.
Hashtag Go.
On Bol Baby Bol with Shubham Jaiswal, who's based out of Bangalore but from Nepal, which is why we're going to learn more about Nepal. I'm your host Annie. तो नेपाल में जब आप पढ़ लिख रहे थे और आप क्रिकेट में इतने अच्छे थे तो पापा को कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था कि क्रिकेट में ही आगे बढ़ सकते हो आप?
मेरे पापा को तो कॉन्फिडेंस थोड़ा बहुत था, बट अगेन वी कम फ्रॉम वेरी एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम फ्रॉम मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, तो वहाँ पे पढ़ना लिखना इट वाज अ वेरी प्रोमिनेंट थिंग कि यार पढ़ाई सबसे पहले, बाकी सारी चीजें सेकेंडरी
बाद में हाँ
थी। मेरा उल्टा था, मैं आई वाज लाइक इनटू ऑल द स्पोर्ट्स, मेनली फोकसिंग ऑन क्रिकेट।
अंडर 16 को रिप्रेजेंट करना कोई छोटी मोटी बात है नहीं, सो दैट्स रियली गुड। ओके, राइट नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर अ बॉलीवुड क्विज। आर यू रेडी फॉर इट?
या एब्सोल्युटली।
आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन और थोड़े बहुत ऑप्शंस दूंगी, आपको गेस करना है सही आंसर क्या है। तुक्का भी लगा सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अ डायलॉग. Which movie is this dialogue from? We dance to express, not to impress. Your options are Devdas, Dishum, Dance Dance, and Anybody Can Dance Too.
Anybody Can Dance, ABCD. Option B.
Yes, well done. आप कह रहे थे आप ज्यादा श्योर नहीं है बॉलीवुड क्विज को लेकर, पर पहले ही सवाल के साथ तो मुझे लग रहा है आप तो काफी श्योर हो.
Thank you.
Let's go to the next one. Which movie is this quote from? पूरे दुनिया में सबसे कमजोर दिल एक इंडियन बाप का होता है. Your options are मेरे बाप पहले आप, शोले, डिशुम या बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया.
Option D again.
Oh good, well done. चलिए एक और. Luck is on your side today, शुभम.
Oh, wonderful.
अच्छा, what was Katrina Kaif's name in Dhoom 3? आलिया, नताशा, सिमरन या कृतिका?
I guess पहला या दूसरे ऑप्शंस में ही होगा.
हाँ, तो दोनों में से कोई एक.
I guess Alia, if I'm not wrong.
Yes,
Again, random.
Alia. Well
Wow.
done. What was Akshay Kumar's first name in Tismar Khan? Options देती हूँ. तबरेज, रोको, राहुल या आरव?
I guess it's Tabriz.
That
Is it?
correct. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Oh wow.
Which actress is in the movie Slumdog Millionaire? Rehan Wood, Katrina Kaif, Frida Pinto या Molly Scott?
I am aware of this Pinto. I guess it's Frida Pinto.
That is correct. And the last question.
Wow.
Which actor and actresses are in the movie Chalte Chalte? Rani and Shahrukh या शाहरुख and कजोल या रानी and शाहिद या कतरीना and सैफ?
रानी तो है. I guess Rani and Shahrukh.
That is correct. क्या बात है यार, मतलब शुभम इतना लक on your side.
Go MMT Radio.
Customers aren't just external, but they are also internal. Our colleagues, peers, team, etc. We must focus on the needs of both by building a culture of customer focus from inside out. Hello, I'm Yuvraj Shrivastava and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Ball baby ball.
On Go MMT Radio.
Head, set, go.
Shubham Jaiswal is on the show with me today, corporate channel department based out of Bangalore. So let's get back to Nepal and talk about नेपाल. एक गाना तो आपने सुना दिया जो कि मुझे लगता है सबको बहुत पसंद आया है, परखाना. अब वहाँ के कल्चर के बारे में बताइए. वहाँ पे जो रहना सहना है या वहाँ की जो जनरल लाइफस्टाइल है वो कैसी है? How different is it, say, from Bangalore?
Okay, so I would say since Bangalore is a very fast city, right? बहुत fast growing city है. And on the other hand, अगर मैं आपको नेपाल का बोलूँगा, it is very like not very fast, not very slow. It's medium. You enjoy what is happening over there. Fast pace में होता है क्या कि आप enjoy नहीं कर पाते हो life को. It's like everything happens very quickly, suddenly, right? Nepal में ऐसा नहीं है. You will enjoy each and everything. The most beautiful thing over there is obviously the place it is, but also the people. I've been to different parts of India. I've been to foreign also, but one thing is for sure, the people of Nepal, right? They're completely different. And it's said that अगर आपके पास कोई Nepalese friend है तो you're very lucky in that matter because वो कभी भी किसी का साथ नहीं छोड़ते हैं, right?
Wow.
And it's always for a very very long period of time they'll stick with you, right? And आपने सुना भी होगा कि what Gorkhas are. So Gorkhas are the treasurer of Nepal. बहुत सारे ऐसे ऐसे कहानियाँ which is very unrealistic, but yeah, the Gorkhas has done that. We are known for that. छोटी सी कंट्री है, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल कंट्री. There are a lot of different places to visit. It's mostly famous for trekking. There's
Correct.
ABC Annapurna Base Camp.
Correct.
Then there's a lot of temples over there. The most prominent one is Pashupatinath, जहाँ पे हर कंट्री से लोग आते हैं शिवरात्रि में.
जी.
और लाइन लगी होती है 10 किलोमीटर तक वहाँ पे.
Wow.
And there's a lot of temples apart from Pashupati. There's Baudha, Shambhunath है, तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. उसके अलावा भी there's a beautiful small city, I would say it's called as Pokhara. So we call it a mini Switzerland for Nepal. So
nice.
मैं भी after our marriage we went to Pokhara. We had spent some 4-5 days over there.
Nice.
Even my wife had come for the first time, but she loved the place over there. It's beautiful.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
टाइम है एक ब्रेक का. अच्छा, ब्रेक से याद आया, दोस्त अभी तक टीपॉट वाला नहीं आया.
Oh, hell no! Go MMT Radio. Catch and go.
Ball baby ball.
On Go MMT Radio.
Catch and go.
बोल बेबी बोल है शो का नाम. शुभम जायसवाल मेरे साथ है और अब जो है वक्त आ गया है फॉर द लास्ट गेम. इट्स कॉल्ड रॉन्ग आंसर्स ओनली. वी बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट नेपाल. We've been also touching upon Bangalore because that's where you're from. You've traveled so many places across India as well as the world. और आज coming back to your personal life, आज आपके लिए एक बहुत स्पेशल डे है. आज आपकी एनिवर्सरी है and you've just completed 1 year. So this is your first big milestone in partnership.
Yep, absolutely.
So congratulations and happy anniversary.
Thank you so much, Annie. Thank you.
आपके भाई साहब का भी, आपका पेरेंट्स का भी, सबका ही मतलब एनिवर्सरी इसी महीने है. So that's really very sweet कि it all worked out like that and you all have one big month to celebrate and so much to look forward to. Well done there. Let's move on to wrong answers only. Are you ready for this?
Yes, Annie.
Okay.
The rapid fire round.
सबसे पहला सवाल तो मुझे पूछ लेने दीजिए. What is the perfect wedding gift? Remember, wrong answers only.
Okay. Perfect wedding gift. Moon.
Yeah, well, get the moon for your wife. Not bad. What should you, which I'm sure you're trying to do. What should you do on your first day at work?
I make tea.
Oh, you made tea on the very first day of work. क्या बात है? Who invented the light bulb?
Light bulb.
जी.
My pretty wife.
What's the main ingredient in spaghetti?
उसमें दूध बहुत ज़्यादा मिला होता है.
What's the best drink for a hot summer day?
There's a beautiful drink, right? जो लोगों को काफी पता होगा, but that's very underrated, right? There's something called as water.
All right, well, that's actually the right answer, but I will give it to you because the build-up was nice. Okay, what's the secret to career success?
Have a lot of sleep.
Yeah, leave all
How
the
people ask.
Yeah, I know. Okay, the last question. What's the best way to pack for a vacation?
Go to gym, lift heavy.
क्या बात है. Well done. You have tried to be creative and this has been fun. I hope you enjoyed it too, Shubham.
Yes, absolutely, Annie. Thank you so much for this.
Shubham Jaiswal is on the show with me today, corporate channel department based out of Bangalore. We spoke about Nepal, the beauty of Nepal. The show is called Bol Baby Bol. With that, we've come to the close of the show. Here's wishing you, Shubham, all the very best with the dreams that you have set up, not only for your personal self, but also at work. May you find all the success.
Thank you so much, Annie. It's a pleasure being here.
Shubham Jaiswal from the corporate channel department based out of Bangalore on Go MMT Radio. This is your host Annie signing off. I'll catch you again on Friday with Filmy Friday. Till then, keep traveling and don't let that smile go off your face.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Catch and go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.